We are going to use the arrow keys to control Pac-Man's movement. Left arrow key, Pac-Man moves left. Right arrow key, Pac-Man moves right. Up arrow key, Pac-Man moves upwards. Down arrow key, Pac-Man moves downwards. So if the left arrow key is pressed, Pac-Man should move left. So if the right arrow key is pressed, Pac-Man should move right. So if the up arrow key is pressed, Pac-Man should move up. So if the down arrow key is pressed, Pac-Man should move down. These are 4 conditions that decide Pac-Man's movement. We will use if blocks to enable these conditions in our game. Drag 4 if blocks and push the key went down blocks from the World tool, 1 for each arrow key. We want the Pac-Man to move with some speed. We also want it to move in the direction of the arrow key that has been pressed. So we will use a set speed and direction block. In Game Lab, the directions are as follows. 360 is rightwards. 90 is downwards. 180 is leftwards. 270 is upwards. Let's set the speed of Pac-Man at 5. Pac-Man is moving but the direction of its face is not changing. We generally move in the direction where we are facing. For this, we also need to set the direction for where the Pac-Man faces. We can do this by rotating it. Use the sprite.rotation block available in the Sprites toolbox. Then, run the code.